Yeah, Nightmare Birds is a thing we came up with on stream. Let's see who's winning here. Sorry about the disconnect. Nightmare Birds is winning. Oh. You guys want to see some... Oh, Dimir Discard Mill just picked up another vote. I'll show you Nightmare Birds real quick. See if you still want me to play it. The idea is to demoralize your opponent. Yeah. Dude. Demoralize your opponent, make them want to quit the game of Magic by playing a bunch of Birds of Paradise and beating down with them, or Suntail Hawk or Squadron Hawk. We got a few worship in here, so if you get a bird up, if you get a bird with and then it's got a bunch of equipment with Swiftfoot Boots, give it Hexproof, and Darksteel Plate, give it Indestructible. Pretty much, there's no way. I mean, they could exile exile all creatures or something that would get rid of it. But pretty hard to get rid of if you pull that combo off. And it's like it's a nightmare matchup against what's the white deck? Soul Sisters, because it's just like this stalemate. Also got a Magus of the Moat, so creatures without flying can't attack. They at least have to bolt that to get in with creatures on the ground. Stonehewer Giant. Search your library for an equipment card and put it on the battlefield. Attach it to a creature you control, then shuffle your library. Divine's Vastwood to protect the birds. It's a really horrible deck actually, but it's we came up with it on stream. It's kind of fun. Nightmare Birds. Okay, Nightmare Birds got 3 votes. Nightmare Birds it is. You guys asked for it. Okay. Nightmare Birds it is.
They play Good Charlotte on the radio, and that's the way I like it. They play Sleepy Jackson on the radio, and that's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way
We can keep this. We've got a bird. We got a way to protect it eventually. Give it totem armor. Equip it. Give it first strike, vigilance, trample, and haste. So we'll keep this. And we can get 3 more Squadron Hawks out of our deck. Thanks everyone who stayed tuned in here while we had a little downtime because of the broadcasting software. Alive Swarm, Belgarath 27, Blitz 86. Thanks for the follow, by the way. Chris Mack, Dajivo, Herotson, Hobos, Hocus Pocus, Jace, Lil, Libo by Night, Liren Dumperson, Mezerin, Minimanx, Saga Royale, Snafu. Yeah, it's Boggles is a much better deck than this because everything naturally has hexproof. This is like a little bit trickier because the birds die so often. Bloggles. A live swarm, thanks for the follow. It's kind of a big deal. Okay, we'll run out of bird. We'll get some more birds out of our library. We'll just get 2 Squadron Hawks out of our library. We don't want to discard any. Lightning bolt in the yard. Let's attempt to Umbra this bad boy up. See if he gets a bolt in response. Oh, that's okay. Enemy 100% confused. Yep. Not prepared for this matchup. And we got a bop. I think we run out Sword of Vengeance here. We could get some more birds online, but I like having I like getting Sword of Vengeance out. Guess we could have played that post-combat in case we needed to Divine Zabaswood with a kicker. So is this twin? Are we just gonna lose here? Is he gonna flash in stuff? At this point, we just play Bop. We protect. We just play Bop here. I really want to use Vines when I can kick it. Yeah. Yeah. If they get it, it'll destroy the totem armor, so the bird will still be around, so it's not the end of the world. Worship, nice. Oh. Okay. Oh, on twin. Bind stops twin. Oh, okay, thanks guys. Cool. Good to know. I'll leave up mana for vines then. I think we equip. Okay. So we'll hold up vines to in case he targets it with twin. His own Exarch, I mean. Of course. Well, he doesn't have it this turn, at least. He's got 6 cards in hand. So we just have to hold up